The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is Cloud Assessment Framework. And our guest speaker today is Vinod Mahajan. He is the Principal Architect with Fiserv India. Vinod Mahajan is a Principal Architect working with the Technology Center for Excellence Group at Fiserv India with around 20 years of experience in IT. He inspires and inculcates the knowledge of architecture, software factories, frameworks, and design patterns with extensive experience in web, desktop, and mobile applications. His current focus areas include application modernization, cloud computing, SOA, rich internet applications, portals, workflows, and integrations. He is a Microsoft Technology Evangelist in ASP.NET, MVC, SharePoint, Silverlight, WPF, WCF, WF, MS SQL Server BI, and reporting. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Vinod.
Yeah. Hi, good evening all. This is Vinod Mahajan from Fiserv. As Aradhana has introduced, I will not spend more time in my introduction, but I'll give you brief information about our company. We do product software development for the financial industries in various profiles, banking solutions, risk and compliance, payments, biller, and many more. Today's topic is about the cloud assessment framework. So most of the businesses in the industry are now in the verge of adopting the cloud computing, and most of them are unaware about how to proceed with that. So there is a dilemma between the organizations to how to proceed with that, because a new businesses, it is easy for newer businesses to go for the cloud adoption, but what about the existing businesses having the multiple applications and systems, hundreds and thousands of application systems, and how effectively cloud is going to make an advantage and to that kind of companies. So we will go through it through some assessment framework, identify few areas, focused areas. It is not about this session is more of a concept than a specific technologies, and no two companies will follow the same process, and there might be difference in their adoption of the cloud and at different point of time. So this framework is basically a part of focus areas, and you can adopt it in a selected parts or map it to your existing enterprise framework related to transformation, change management, and system redesign, which is in your organization, which is required for your organization. So it is organization specific and their cloud strategy, but this will give you the overall idea about how to proceed it. So to start with that, I will, as I came to know that there are various audience and their level about the cloud computing knowledge. So I will be starting with some of the basics. I will not spend more time on the basic, but generic concept about the cloud computing and what are the service models and what are the characteristics. And then we'll walk through the assessment framework. And at the end, I will also give some design principles by which you can create the new application, or you can modify your existing application to become them a cloud ready, so that the cloud power is actually leveraged by modifying those applications. So if you see the